The other helicopter. Who's flying the other one? Above me, behind me.
Heads up, commander online.
This objective is our target. There's an enemy plane. Enemy's plane. South of your position.
A jet.
I can repair your ride. We have taken objective Bravo. Enemy helicopter spotted. Appears to be a hostile tank to your west. There appears to be enemy heavy armor
So
south of your position. Enemy LAV spotted.
You do, what is it? I didn't.
North of your current pod, there's an enemy chopper operating over there. We no longer control objective Alpha.
Where are you? I need to look up because I'm a helicopter. I've just blown up a helicopter and a tank.
I've spotted a hostile tank due west of your position. Supply drop
It's in
execute.
the barracks. Assisted. Got a bazookas coming in for the left. Left so far. Or what? Where are we going?
Soldiers, attack this. I've taken
Behind,
objective
behind,
Alpha.
helicopter.
Listen up. Enemy tank due
Right,
north
right,
of your
right.
location.
Outside.
I spotted an enemy helicopter. I need a ride. Wait. Spied an enemy chopper. It's an enemy helicopter north of your location. Objective Charlie is no longer under our control.
Oh, apart from when I hit the floor then.
All teams, missile inbound.
Picks me up. Come on.
Heads up! Enemy aircraft due south where you are.
Yeah, there is shit, but then I've just got quite a lot of kills. Because I had the one that you... Oh yeah, the one that you hold the ground targets. Oh shit. No, I put the heat seeking rockets
We have
on.
lost objective Alpha.
Much better, and I just stay away from ground targets.
There appears to be an enemy helicopter
Sweet,
east of
that's
your
right.
location.
Fix me up. That's shooting me, isn't it?
We got the network back up.
Oh, someone just got a rocket on it. Oh, he's firing
Enemy
rockets
agent
outside.
soldiers north of your position. Wait up! I need a ride!
Just smacked it. Yeah. This is awesome. Where are you, James? Oh, there's 2 minutes left.
Get some anti-tank personnel to yourself.
Yeah, Echo going to. Oh, we're getting shot now. Thing is, we're within range. Look at these boys.
I spotted a hostile tank. There's a hostile LAV. West of your
Doing
position.
the other one still doing this one.
Hey, can you give me a ride? This is impact the bomb.
Oh, yeah.
I got eyes on an enemy chopper. Objective Delta is no longer under our control.
sweeping by. Mark them up. One down.
Hostile missile inbound. I say again. Hostile missile inbound.
Saving
Get right
the
over,
tank in
operating
case
to
they-
yourself.
Mark any choppers you see as well. Because I can see them.
You've taken objective Foxtrot.
Thank you.
Listen up. There's a hostile sniper west of your location.
He's now alone. I'm still in the first one. Oh, someone was in there. I can see someone else.
We've neutralized objective Delta.
I've got a fixer.
An enemy LAV south of your position. We now control objective Delta. Check your map for resupply location. This is the objective. I want you to attack. Looks like we just lost objective Foxtrot. That positive ID on a sniper west of your location. We now control objective Echo. Vehicle soon ready for action. Objective Bravo has been neutralized. Spotted a hostile LAV west of your position.
Try to get one way back. Mark, I'm coming back.
We've just taken objective Bravo.
Hey boy! Got a reloading, come
There's a
back.
light armored vehicle operating to your west.
Coming through again, Mark, come up.
Attack this target!
I'm coming with you, Joe. Done. I said I'm on a fucking roll.